In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix slow Google Drive download and upload speeds so your files move more quickly and reliably. If you've ever sat there watching a progress bar crawl along, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through a series of simple checks and tweaks you can try, starting with the basics and moving toward more targeted solutions. You don't need to be technical to follow along, just go step by step. First, let's check your internet speed. Slow Google Drive performance is often just a symptom of a slow or unstable connection. Open a trusted speed test website in your browser and run a test. Pay attention to both the download and upload numbers, since Google Drive needs upload speed for sending files and download speed for receiving them. As a rough guide, if your upload speed is under a few megabits per second, large files will naturally take a long time. If the result is dramatically lower than what your internet plan promises, you may be dealing with a connection issue rather than a Google Drive issue. In that case, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, or restarting your router and modem. Once your connection looks stable, try your upload or download again and see if there's any improvement. Next, pause other downloads or streaming. Your internet bandwidth is shared across all devices and apps in your home or office. If someone is streaming high-definition video, playing online games, or downloading large files, that can significantly slow down Google Drive. Close any unnecessary cloud backup apps, software updates, or large downloads running on your computer. If your phone or tablet is on the same network, pause heavy activity there as well. Even background tasks like automatic backups or syncing from other services can compete with Google Drive. Give Drive as much of your connection as possible, then retry your transfer. If you still notice sluggish performance, try uploading or downloading during off-peak hours. Internet speeds can vary depending on how many people in your area are online. Even if your home network is quiet, your internet provider's network can be congested at busy times like evenings. When possible, schedule large uploads or downloads for early morning, late at night, or any time you know fewer people are using the connection. This is especially useful if you regularly work with big video files, archives, or large collections of photos. Another helpful option is to use Google Drive for desktop for faster transfers. Instead of relying entirely on the web browser, this app integrates Google Drive directly with your computer's file system. You can drag and drop files in your File Explorer or Finder, and the app handles the syncing in the background. This can be more efficient and stable than the browser, particularly for large or numerous files. After installing it from Google's official site, sign in, choose the folders you want to sync, and then copy your files into those folders. Give it some time and check the app's status to confirm that transfers are progressing. Finally, if you prefer sticking with the web version, try a different browser. Some browsers handle large uploads or downloads better than others, especially when you have multiple extensions installed. If Google Drive feels slow or glitchy in your current browser, open it in an alternative one and sign into your account there. Also, consider disabling any unnecessary extensions, especially those that affect security, privacy, or downloads, and make sure your browser is fully updated. Then test your upload or download again. By working through these steps in order, you'll usually be able to pinpoint what's slowing things down and get your Google Drive transfers running much more smoothly.